everyone! My name is Miss Nikki and I'm the Youth Service Librarian at the Mechanicsville branch of the Pamunkey Regional Library. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own CD scratch art. If you've already picked up the Take and Make kit at Mechanicsville, your kit will include the instructions, 2 toothpicks, and an already painted CD. If you're following along at home, I recommend that you get some blank CDs or DVDs that you have left. Definitely make sure you get some paper towels, newspaper, something to lay down underneath the surface where you're painting. And then you're going to use acrylic paint. I recommend black, but you can use whatever color you want as long as you have enough to do at least two layers of paint to cover the entire surface of your CD. So this is the front side of the CD. There's stuff on both of these sides, and I am painting on the shiny silver side on the back. I painted one layer, I waited about 24 hours, then I painted my second layer. If you're doing a color other than black, I would probably recommend a third or fourth layer just to make sure that you are fully coating that CD. There's no visible signs of this shiny surface on there. The first step you can do, if you want to do something intricate or detailed, go ahead and trace your design on your CD on top of the black paint with your pencil, because you can erase it, you can figure it out. If you're ready to just have at it, feel free to go ahead and start using your toothpicks and scratching out your design. Now I will say, be gentle as you're scratching out your toothpick design, because you are scratching off the black paint, those multiple layers that you might have put on there, but you don't want to scratch off the reflective shiny surface underneath. You can always go over a line or a detail a second time to get all the black paint off, but if you go too deep at the first part, you're going to scratch and ruin the surface underneath. So just be gentle with it. Again, your design can be as intricate or as simple as you would like. I do think it's really cool to do designs in this little inner circle, but remember this part of the CD is normally clear or can be clear depending on which CD you're using. So this is a great place to do those detailed designs. It's also a much smaller surface area to work with. Once you have finished doing your design and carving it out, go ahead and hang your CD up somewhere near the sun or a window to watch the light catch the reflection and see if it casts shadows or designs in your home. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.